carburant durable, dosé à 50%. L'objectif, c'est de certifier ce carburant à 100% durable, et ça nous a de l'activité. Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue sur le site de chez
A350-100 is the latest member of the all-new A350 X wide-body family. Its lightweight is provided by its composite structure. This airplane features a 7-meter long fuselage that is little brother the A350-900. It aims to offer a capacity for up to 410 passengers. It also offers more range, almost 9,000 miles. This plane is not only technologically advanced, it is also considered as a reference in passenger comfort, with a spacious airspace cabin, outstanding quietness, and a native internet connection available on board. Almost 1,300 aircraft have been ordered to this day, bringing new opportunities to 16 customers. Only one pool of pilots can one same type rating and radio common spare parts. Airbus even proposes a cargo version called A350F, proposing a 100